This video explains how to find the tool length of each tool on the machine head when the machine does not have TCP, RTCP functionality. Find a material with a fixed width. Ideally, this would be a square ruler or a metal bracket. Stand it upright on the table and confirm its size. The controller clicks on the jog mode. Press the tool release button on the spindle. Remove the tool from the spindle. Find the machine coordinates in the controller's setup menu. Using MPG mode, rotate the spindle 90 degrees using the remote control. Here you can see the mechanical coordinate is 90. Return to the main page. In F3 setup, find f4rel.clr. Continue using the remote control to move the XYZ axis. Bring the end face of the spindle into contact with the side of the square ruler. Slowly move the X-axis to bring the spindle face closer. You can use a piece of paper to check the distance between them. Go to the computer. Click CLR.all, and set all the Z-zip axis to 0.000. This position is the base position for measurements. When the machine is moved again, the coordinates will be calculated starting from the 0 position. Continue using the remote control to raise the Z-axis. Rotate the spindle 90 degrees in the other direction. Check the coordinates on the computer to confirm that the rotation angle is correct. Move the X and Z axis to the other side of the square ruler. Continue using paper to confirm the distance between the two. After confirming the distance, come to the computer. You will find the x-axis coordinate. This is the distance the x-axis moves when the main axis angle is between 90 and -90 degrees. Record this number. Subtract the width of the square ruler from the distance moved along the x-axis.
得到这个数值之后，然后是因为它的一个宽度。
The width of the square ruler is 120 millimeters. Subtract the width of the square ruler from the distance along the x-axis. The data obtained is the distance between the spindle rotation center at +90 degrees and -90 degrees. Half of this number is the distance from the spindle rotation center to the bottom surface of the spindle.
480多，然后要除以2，242。
Therefore, in the video, the distance from the spindle rotation center to the bottom surface of the spindle is 242.0665 millimeters. Record this number. This is the main data for this machine. You will need this number to calculate the length of each tool.
好，现在移除它，让这个主轴摆到正90度，所以可以使用手轮。 5号
Use the remote control to set the main spindle vertically to 0 degrees.
多少度呢？是看这里，这里没事。OK， 现在 B 轴是0，所以主轴是垂直的。
Next, we need to find the distance from the machine's z-axis 0 point to the tool sensor.
MPG 去怎么确认它到它的一个距离呢？所以需要先是找到
In the machine's internal parameters, locate the position of the I/O terminal connection signal. Locate the sensor trigger signal light.
回车。
In the machine maintenance group, change the user to 5 and the password to 2222.
看到位，然后可以找到，往下找 to sensor， to sensor 看没 ？to sensor 5012 to sensor。当你有事嘛过来，没事过来录着来。对你录这个。开始这边。当我按下它的时候，你去看那里。
You can press the tool sensor with your hand, and you will see an indicator light turn on or off.
那现在也就是说等手轮呢，我移动它往下落的时候，让这个面，让主流的这个面去压住它。
Slowly lower the Z-axis until the spindle end face touches the sensor.
然后压它，你去看，你去看那里屏幕上33号点，看亮了没有？
没有。
亮了吗？
没，闪烁了。
Observe the sensor indicator light. A good position is somewhere between when the light is on and when it is off.
亮了，持续亮。灭了。
好，等这个走到这个临近点的时候，好，记录这个 Z 轴的坐标。
In the Setup menu, under Machine Coordinates, there will be a value for the Z-axis. This number represents the distance from the Z-axis 0 point to the tool sensor.
Z 负的664.2毫米。这个是从 Z 轴0到它的一个距离。好，现在往上升。
Install a tool. Now begin the automatic measurement process and calculate the distance from the spindle's center of rotation to the tool tip.
把它放上之后，然后去Setup 里边，去主页里边看。
Return to the main screen and confirm which tool number is currently on the main spindle.
也就是这一把就是 T3，也就是在这里是3号公里，3号公里。好，那计算这个的摆长，就是说是 ATM 里边自动测量3号工具，然后是3号，输入3，能看清楚吧？
嗯。
然后点开始，点开始之后，机器会自动测量。当测量完成这个工具之后，
In the Setup menu, find Tool Management. There you can find the length of tool number 3, which was just automatically measured.
找到3号工具，3号工具得到的数值是
This number represents the distance from the bottom of the tool to the Z0 point.
1.246，是吧？
嗯。
得到这个数字之后，怎么计算它的一个长度呢？那就是说从这个面到这个面它的一个距离。
嗯。
看没？它的一个距离是什么？就是这个是摆。
Use the Z-zeroing tool to sense the distance to the surface, then subtract the measurement obtained when the tool is in the spindle. The resulting number is the distance from the tool tip to the bottom face of the spindle.
等于102.954，意思就是这个长度，从这个面到刀尖的一个长度，从这个面到刀尖的一个长度，这是它的一个长度。怎么计算它到它的一个 摆动的距离呢，就是说它的一个长度加上它的一个长度加上它的一个长度，就是说这个数值加上它242.0。
The total length required for this tool is obtained by adding the length of the tool itself to the fixed distance from the center of rotation to the bottom surface of the main spindle. This total length needs to be entered into the programming.
这是 T3 的一个摆长，就是这么长，这么长，就是从这个东西。那现在是 T3 的有了，咱们测量一个 T， 你比如说测量一个这个。
Now use the same method. Calculate the total length of T1.
所以也就是说，停止一下，然后测量 T1 就是说在 ATM 里边输入1号代码，然后按回车1号，然后点 Start， 机器会自动换刀并更换。好，你去。T1 测量完成之后，在 Setup 里边，然后在刀具管理里边 ，T1 有一个数值，这个是
Method for calculating the total length of the tool, the distance from the center point of the spindle rotation to the bottom surface of the spindle.
这个数值，然后还是需要记录它这个一个长度。就是它的一个长度，它的一个长度就是用这个。
The distance is fixed when there is no tool in the spindle. The data obtained from automatic measurement with a tool in the spindle is subtracted from this fixed distance to get the length of the single tool. Adding the length of the spindle to the length of the single tool gives the total length of that tool.
就是115点多，就是它的一个长度，然后从它加上它，然后就是这个数值加上个它242.0。
Two fixed data points need to be recorded. The distance from the spindle's rotation center to the bottom surface of the spindle. This machine's value is 242.066 mm. The other fixed data point is the distance from the bottom surface of the spindle to the sensor when the z-axis is at 0. This machine's value is 664.2 mm. Like this, in the post-processor, input the total length of the tool. The software will automatically calculate the program.